Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Venmo, that ubiquitous payment app everyone seems to be using. We've all been there, scrambling to pay a friend back for dinner, needing to split a weekend getaway bill, or in a real pinch, urgently needing to get rent money to your landlord. Venmo seems like the perfect solution. It's quick, convenient, and lets you avoid that awkward cash exchange. But what if you're worried the transfer won't go through in time? How long exactly does it take for Venmo money to transfer? Fear not, friends, because that's exactly what we'll be breaking down today. Now, Venmo actually offers two ways to transfer money: standard transfers and instant transfers. Let's unpack the difference. Standard transfers are completely free, which is awesome. They utilize the ACH network, a system banks use to move money electronically. The catch? They aren't exactly lightning fast. Standard transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to hit your recipient's bank account. So, that last-minute rent payment might be a gamble, especially if it's a weekend or falls on a holiday. Here's where things get interesting: Venmo's instant transfer option. This bad boy promises to get your money where it needs to be in a much faster time frame, typically within 30 minutes. Sounds perfect, right? Well, there's a caveat. Instant transfers come with a fee, a 1.75% cut of the transfer amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, if you're sending a small amount, the fee might outweigh the convenience factor. Now, let's get down to some nitty-gritty details that can affect transfer times. The time of day you initiate the transfer can play a role. For standard transfers initiated on weekdays before 7 p.m. Eastern Time, there's a chance the money arrives the next business day. Anything after 7 p.m., and the transfer won't even begin processing until the following day, adding another business day to the wait. Weekends and holidays throw another wrench into the mix. Any transfers initiated during these times will have to wait until the next business day to start chugging through the system. So, how can you maximize your chances of a speedy Venmo transfer? Here are some tips. Plan ahead. If you know you need to make a payment by a certain date, don't wait until the last minute. Standard transfers are free, but they take time. Factor that buffer into your schedule. Consider the fee. If speed is of the essence, an instant transfer might be worth the 1.75% fee. However, for smaller transfers, the fee might outweigh the benefit. Communicate with the recipient. Let the person you're paying know if you're using a standard or instant transfer. This helps manage expectations, especially if they're relying on the money quickly. Ultimately, the best transfer method depends on your specific situation. Need to get the money there ASAP? Instant transfer might be your best bet, even with the fee. Have a few days to spare and want to save some cash? Standard transfer is the way to go. Venmo offers a handy tool to help you estimate transfer times. Once you initiate a transfer, you'll see a projected arrival date within the app. This gives you a good idea of when the recipient can expect the funds. So, there you have it. The mystery of Venmo transfer times is solved. Remember, planning ahead and understanding the difference between standard and instant transfers is key to making sure your money gets where it needs to be, on time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and happy Venmo ing.